Hey everybody, I got a pocket letter video for you today. So this pocket letter is recipes. So it's called Fruit, Vegetables, and Breads. Well, I don't have any vegetable recipes, so I switched it for desserts. So yeah, so I just basically took images offline of different fruits, vegetables, and bread on Google. Little turtle bread, and I use my striped tape just to finish the edges, and then I found individual images of fruits and vegetables, and I made this border on my computer, and I just printed it off, and then I just cut it, and then I just finished it with a red ribbon. So there's the front, and then I'll show you the back. So I like to keep my goodies in the pocket letter the theme to match. So I had a lot of food stickers, and then I put the tea in the middle. Tea in the middle. So yeah, so that's what that side looks like. And then I put my notes on the recipes, because these are recipes I have tried. So I got these are from allrecipes.com. Oh, come on, focus. I like this site. It's a good recipe site. Most of the recipes do work. So I have a cookie press, so I have a cookie press recipe for shortbreads. I have a juicy peach crisp. Show you a few here. I have a bread machine, so I like the honey wheat bread. It's really good. And making your own hot chocolate. And let's see, there's a chocolate cookie press recipe. S'mores. You gotta make sure you really grease the pan, or it's very hard to get out. It's messy, but it tastes good. And my banana bread, I add chocolate chips to banana bread. French toast casserole, that's really good. And maple syrup. Another reason to eat maple syrup. And yeah. Cranberry bars. I make these all the time. My sister really likes these. So yeah, I just put my notes in the bottom. And yeah, so I've tried all these. So I'm going to include those as part of it. I got my note, and then I'll include these items. I'm going to include an apple cider, a hot chocolate, pink lemonade. These are really good. And lemon lime lemonade. Include some coffee. So that pretty much covers a drink that you might like. And then I'm going to include these recipe cards. They got vegetables on them, so I thought that kind of fit. So it's like a pack of 25. Got these from Amazon. They were actually on sale. I think it was $2. It was under $2 actually, $1.98. Oh, that's cool. I got a whole bunch of different patterns, but these ones were the ones that are on sale. So okay, recipe cards. And then I got also these from Amazon. They are magnetic page markers, so you can use them in recipe books. So they got like cupcakes on them. That was pretty cute. And they're page markers. So they got a little arrow on it, so you can stop it right at the line or the paragraph you're on to mark your spot when you're reading. So I thought those are really cool. So hopefully she'll like those. And yeah, so this is what I'm going to include in my pocket letter. Yeah, hopefully she'll like it. It's kind of a different one for me. I don't usually do like recipe ones because they've popped up before on my Facebook site, but I don't normally do them. So they're a person short, so they asked me if I could do one, and I'm like, okay, for partners, so I'll do one. So it turned out not too bad. A lot of color. So hopefully she likes it. So yeah, so this is the recipe pocket letter for Facebook. Fruits, vegetables, and breads. Well, desserts. So yeah, that is my pocket letter for today. Later.